this Claw Hub thing basically is a similar repo registry based system for AIs, the OpenClaw system. So you would be like, hey, I want you to call me on my phone. Can you find a package
Right.
for this? And then it'll get like a tip Trilio or some sort of what is it? Voice to IP or IP to voice, whatever the hell those things are. And then install it
Mhm.
and work on it. And I heard that there's like no security there and anyone can leave like some sort of little trail to another website somewhere within the packaging environment where they can just
Mhm.
the AI goes and pulls a totally different malicious package and there's like this huge influx of just malicious OpenCloud. Everyone using all the AI bros using OpenCloud are getting effed basically because they're letting their AI drive a whole computer and the AI is like, oh, this website says this is a useful package that can help me achieve my goal.
Mhm.
And oh, and when they're scouring the internet, there's these. Remember in the day when Google was kind of a little cheat hack to like play with the keywords on the search, the count on your page, where you just make like a white background with white text and you just repeat the keywords over and over to increase the count for the SEO back in the day.
Oh no, I didn't know that was a thing, but that makes sense.
That was the thing, yeah. Now they're doing it to like trick the AI because it's invisible to the human eye, but the AI looks at the code and then
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh
yeah.
no, that's what you're talking. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So yeah, I didn't know they were doing that in Google, but
Well,
yeah,
that
that's
was
a
before
common
they
thing
updated.
to do. That's that's a crazy common thing to do. Oh, there's like another one where it's kind of related. There's like a Greek character that's I think I told you this once upon a time, but there's like a Greek character that's like essentially a quote character. They look
Uh-huh.
exactly the same,
Uh-huh.
but you throw that into somebody's code and they don't know like debugging tools or anything. They will
Yeah.
never catch
And they get
it.
effed, yeah.
Yeah.
I hear now
There's a-
emojis are being used to unload some sort of malicious prompting. There's a lot of weird things happening with like obfuscating
the em-
information.
yeah, the emoji thing in code. I'm actually like fundamentally I don't understand how that's even in there.
Yeah. I mean, I guess the concept is that AI can respond in a humanistic way with emojis, so it can also receive emojis to see what the response is, but then you can like payload some sort of like string in between the escape characters of an emoji sequence and basically fool
Mhm,
it into doing whatever you want it to do or something. That's and these are unpatchable. As far as I've heard, these are completely unpatchable,
mhm,
which is the flaw of the black box that we call an AI, because we can't understand how it works. We just trained it on a bunch of vectors and now it's on its
oh yeah,
own.
yeah, yeah. It's trained on it, so now it
Yeah.
thinks whatever it thinks. So
Yeah, and there's no like unless you have like a overlay, some sort of what's those verification slash when you input a password into a form, what's the first thing you do?
put password into a form. So first you hide it essentially. You
Okay, well, okay,
obfuscate
like
it.
email too, right? Because you want the email to be a certain format, you want the password to be a certain format, so you do this. I
Oh, you do
forgot the
like you can do like a regex sometimes or
yeah, a
some sort of
regex.
validity. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Validation. So you can
Validation. Yeah.
create a layer before the prompt gets given to the AI to validate the prompt. But
Mhm.
that's the best you can do because the AI just takes whatever info you give it, no security measure, and just does it. So like you can inject emojis, you can make it into poems and all these kind of like read every third letter of this sentence and and use it as a prompt activator. Like you can hide it so you can destroy any sort of validation that anyone can program, right? Ugh, it's so weird. We'd have to make like a validating AI on top of a regular AI that
Let's
can
see.
take the
Let's see
context
where.
and try and figure out if it's malicious or not. I don't
Yeah.
know. It's so much. It's so much. So you're doing upload avatar. You've got yourself some imports. Cool,
And right
cool.
now I'm just sharing the VS Code screen right now, but I'm looking through my app like okay, where was I? Kind of need to revisit where I was.
From the
And my
last
dog
time.
needs to stop snooting me. Stop snooting me, Cooper.
Snooting.
Why are you snooting? Why are you snooting?
The
Why are you snooting? Oh,
schnooterator has
do, do, do
arrived.
you see this pause over here? Pause.
Yeah.
Pause up here. He keeps pawing me.
Snootermeister.
He does. He
Snooteraider.
doesn't like me sitting here. He's
Really?
like, let's go this way.
It's like
Yeah.
it's like no, he's gonna stay here for hours. Come on, let's go outside. Let's go outside.
Actually, no. I think I've trained him. Like, if I sit here, I'll give him treats.
Oh,
He's waiting for some treats.
gotcha.
He's aggressive too. Like, paw.
I think the last time I remember, I don't know if it was the navigation that you were working on, the what is it called
Uh,
in Angular? The
not the routing.
routing,
The routing's
right?
fine.
I know
Routing's
routing was
fine.
one. The PayPal thing, that was like an
Yes, we
older
were doing
one.
PayPal. That's probably the last thing I was really working on. Trying to essentially direct people to, let's say, if you have a PayPal me and you don't
The
want to go through
donation,
my system to donate or tip or anything, you can
right?
just do it directly to the people. But I'd probably put like some sort of
What
membership
would be your
layer on
payment
top of that.
processing?
My
Yeah,
payment
true.
processor is, what was it? Hey,
Stripe?
no, it was, see, I already authorized. Authorize.net.
Authorized.
That's a Visa solution
Okay.
because I like their terms of service a little bit better um,
Yeah.
than Stripe is pretty much standard. Um,
They take what, the 2% or whatever from transactions and yada yada. No third party
no,
in
no,
between.
I think that stuff was the same. I think Stripe's API is obviously way better than a lot of the other competitors.
Yeah.
And I think they're charging the same rates and same fees. That's
As a
fine.
credit card
Um,
processor themselves?
does the what?
As the same fees as a direct credit card processor?
Yeah, pretty much. Like there's
Hmm.
I think it's like a 3%, and then I haven't checked it in a while, so I actually need to revisit it. But it was the same when I
Okay.
first looked at it.
Gotcha.
But it's the terms of use
Hmm.
that I thought was better. Even though Stripe's terms of use, like they really don't care. But it's always like a risk, especially when like terms of use matters unless you make a lot of money, then it doesn't matter because you'll just be like, what are you gonna do? You're gonna disconnect me and lose all your money. it's
Yeah.
it's a money centric world, Cooper.
Yeah. You're lucky you're a dog. You just get treats. Your your life is a treat centric world. I wish I were lived in a treat centric world. Just get treats for being here. I just want a treat. No, 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 bum, bum. Hmm. So my thing, going back to this AI, my cable, 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 this cable.
I forgot that it's not my AirPods, it's the mic on my camera phone here. I said I hung out with Jeff yesterday. Remember him?
Yeah, that's cool. Uh, I miss social
Did some
interactions.
did some bowling.
Bowling. Oh, I miss bowling. It's so simple, yet I haven't done it in ages. Hmm.
Firebase console.
No memory.
No.
Oh, I need to figure out. Like,
What
even
the
the AI
fuck?
doesn't even have any write permission yet because I haven't given it the ability to modify anything. It's
Most
kind of
my accounts here.
useless.
Oops.
Oddly enough, I do have to use a npm manager to install OpenCloud. I gotta use nvm to install 22 for the
Hmm.
Node.js package manager. 22 is the lowest I can go. I go to the lowest in most case scenarios, whatever the minimum requirements are, because all the extra stuff's Steam. Like this is me like in Ubuntu days. I wouldn't go in the latest and greatest updates. I'd go for the long-term support LTS, the one that just works without having all the extra bells and whistles, because it's just like
Yeah,
you risk the
you should
extra.
LTS.
Hmm?
Yeah, you should go LTS.
Hmm. I wish they had these with different types of frameworks.
They do. Yeah, Angular has LTS. But I
But
guess it's a
didn't you
little
always
different
have to
because
update?
the new version is already LTS. LTS just means long-term support.
Yeah. I mean, the spirit of LTS is something that works extremely well, up to 90 something 5%, and there's no need to go crazy with security or flaws. Like there's a way to
Well, no,
test
no,
for an LTS.
that's not what really LTS means. It's that this is long-term support. We're going to be patching this
Right.
version if something does go wrong. Once
Right.
it's not LTS, once you exceed that window, you're SOL. You're kind of if something happens, they're not really going to patch it for you.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
now it becomes a
But the
liability.
focus, the focus of the spirit is to make sure it works on the long-term basis. Yeah. Not continuously package new updates that are functional and can introduce new issues. Oh, specifically patches rather than features. So then I would probably use what's the previous, well, what's the current node package version currently?
Let me see. What are we on? I was guess 22, but it's been a while since I've seen
Would that
that.
be the
Latest is
year?
24.
Okay.
Latest long-term support is 24. Yeah, because they essentially do this. They do even numbers are long-term support. If you're
Mm-hmm.
on an odd number, you're essentially on kind of the latest slash essentially a canary version. That's what it is.
Mm-hmm.
Um, that they've done like it's still good. They've done their best. Like, hey, this is good, but we're not really gonna. This is still more of like a non-committal version, essentially.
Yeah. I think that's the same
He
way
last.
that Ubuntu had it too.
Ooh, you've changed a lot of Firebase since I've last pulled this up.
Mm-hmm. 18790.
Okay, they did a incomplete overhaul at least. The following authentication features will be stopped working when Firebase Dynamic Links shuts down soon. Okay. Look at the database here real quick. Okay.
Why is it doing? Oh my God. I thought I changed it. Not this stream. YouTube is stupid sometimes, I swear. It doesn't get it. It's not RV there yet. That was yesterday's stream. Okay, no, it's good. Change it. Live coding. Oh, I'm trying to, and the best way to set up an OpenClaw is with a freaking Linux system, because if you wanted to give it all the features you would naturally give the system, it would be through a Linux operating.
Mm,
But the issue is I have it on Windows and it doesn't give me an ability to like install extra packages because it's only available on Linux. I'm like, all right, let me install the WSL, the Linux, the Windows WLS, Windows Linux pack system. What are they called? WSL, WSLLS.
Windows for Linux subsystem, whatever, right? You're
Yeah,
talking about that.
subsystem, Linux, Windows Linux subsystem. So I installed it, and apparently when I'm running things through the little Ubuntu terminal, it
Mm-hmm.
has to pass through like a layer of security scanning on the
Mm,
Windows side, and it takes like 20 minutes to run a simple 5-second command on
mm.
Linux.
See if there's an update because I ran into that shit too, where I'm like, this is useless. Takes way too long.
Maybe. I just installed it recently though, so I don't know. Or maybe.
You can install it and kind of install the old versions, unfortunately. Just give it a check, see what version you're on.
Mm. You think an older version would work?
No, a newer version would work
Oh,
because I've
okay.
had that issue, and then recently I did mess around with it. I'm like, oh, it improved.
Okay.
Just give it a try. Mm. But could still be an issue.
Most recent version is already installed.
Okay. And that sucks.
It does. I have to stare at the stupid terminal and it does nothing for
Could be
30
something else.
minutes.
Oh yeah, you said you're still on Windows 8 or 10,
10.
right? Could
Yeah.
be compatibility there.
Nah. I'm like at that point I'm just gonna like I think I should do a cache. I think I should install my cache now. Yeah. The CachyOS on my dual boot, because I did Linux last time, but it didn't work too well
Mhm.
with Linux Mints and Nvidia drivers.
Mm.
But I'm going to do CachyOS. So I heard there's an already existing driver that comes with Cache, and I think I downloaded it. Let me see. Now I can potentially set up my Linux CachyOS. Someone mentioned it was a good alternative, and it is a Arch Linux type. It's not a problem.
Mm.
Mm, mm, is that oh, this is my regular Windows boot. Never mind. How big is this drive? This drive only 16. True. Okay, so it must be. Oh God, which drive is? Oh yeah, I know where it is. Somewhere over the rainbow. Yes. To have a nice special SD card, 128 gigs that holds all of my boot systems. Is this the one? Let's see.
What's your main things you're tutoring today?
Huh?
Trig. What's your main tutoring stuff?
I got one
Trig.
student
Yeah.
in regular, like pre-algebra, kind of pre-algebra stuff, and then another one that came in for trig. She's got a test tomorrow, I think she said, so she's trying to prepare for the the radial to degree
Hmm.
radian to degree conversion process, which is the rectangular system they talk about. I
Hmm.
don't know why they call it
Yeah.
rectangular. Kind of dumb.
I've
Basic,
forgotten about that stuff.
basically, pi divided by 180 is your conversion
There you
metric.
go.
Yeah. And then you use it the same way you'd convert inches to feet, 1 foot over 12 inches or 12 inches over 1 foot, depending on the direction you're going. Bam! Bam! Oh wait, this USB's fudged. Is it fudged? You fudged? Please insert. Why it is? It's inserted. It's a good sir. You are detecting it technically. Hey, it's open. There we go. So the issue now is to connect my Ollama server using the internal networking. Because on the other end, Ubuntu has its own like networking schema beneath the subsystem. So I'm trying to connect it to my main network or my main local, and that's causing some annoyances. I'm using a portal they say I should be using, all these kind of adjustments that I should be using, but nothing is working. So I'm thinking of just installing fucking Ollama on the Ubuntu as well and calling it a day. We'll see. I don't even want to mess with. I at this point, this one little task of turning this one application on takes 30 minutes. I'm just gonna focus on CachyOS and I'll set it up there if I have to. What's my Linux partition?
Oh, nothing weird.
It's not detected. I have to check it. I think it's really time to repartition my hard drive.
I should do like a full clean and stuff.
Yeah. My Windows is taking too much space and I'm starting to use it less and less. Only for distractions like games. Okay, so this apparently not doing it. My baby, my baby 128 gig. Please tell me you still work. Last time I tried to use you, you didn't respond. Please, light up. Show me the LED on you. Please, please, please. Man, I don't get USBs that break on me very often, but sometimes it happens.
I still haven't had like a hard drive fail. I've had files get corrupted. Yeah, that definitely has happened. But I've
Yeah,
had
for
hard
sure.
drive fail on me.
Hmm. I'm trying to figure if this thing got wet or something, or did I fuck it up somewhere by
I think
bending
I've
it?
I think I've had that where I had a USB in the laundry.
Oh, my little
Oops.
baby. A little USB with. Oh, it looks a little bent. I might have sat on it with my fat ass. Could be a thing. No, it did serve as a backup to all my stuff. I wonder if I can resolder the connections if I care to do it in the future. For now, I don't care. Um, but this. Oh, now it works. Yay. Okay, CRT. Recall box. Oh, that's my recall. Oh, that's my recall box USB.
Go say hi to Ubi.
Okay. Not the one I was looking for. Hmm. It's my little gaming Raspberry Pi. Where's the other one? Where's the other one? I have so many teeny tinies. Where's my other teeny tiny? No, wait. Brain. Thinking, processing. It was placed in a container. not what I thought it would be. Is it in here? I always keep it on me. Oh, somewhere is it? Yes, there it is. Just in case I need to use it on the go. This is gonna be the one. This is the way. So the test didn't work, which means the configuration is not working. The portal is not working. Yes, there we go. Files, Vento, Yumi, Linux iOS, Linux Mint, Fedora, unlisted ISO, Bazite. Oh, come on. I thought I had Cache on here. Anonymous browser, system tools. Okay. I didn't have Linux Mint, reported Bazite. Okay, so I want to put Cache on here. That's the first step. Yumi! Uh, the one that I'll do is the one. Select to put on J, right? Yeah, J is the big side. CachyOS. Do we have it on the list? Cache. Oh, it's not even on this list. So new. Okay, fine. Oh, Arc. Can I just put Arc in Arc Linux? We'll do a browse. Megaboy backup. Nope, that's not the one. Files, DL, ISO, Cache, Cache, Linux, Arc Linux. No, in here somewhere. Windows,
Okay.
Windows, Cache.
I am gonna walk the boy, do a few things. I'll be back in a couple hours if you're still on.
All right, fair enough.
But
I'll probably have
yeah,
students,
I
but
need to code as consistently as I work out, and that's the only way to do things. Got to be consistent.
hey, I'm here when you need to, when you get on your consistency base.